Hey guys, it's Matt with Susquehanna Automotive. Now today we stopped down in Quarryville to Susquehanna Ford, and look what just rolled off the delivery trailer. This is the 2021 Shelby GT500. Now this is a 5.2 liter supercharged V8. It's just about a supercar, and this thing is absolutely incredible. We got it all through the recon prep, cleaned it all up. I wanted to take it out and give a closer look at it. Now with this vehicle, when you guys check out our YouTube channel, if you make sure you hit that subscribe button, you're gonna see these vehicles as soon as they roll off that delivery truck. Now 99% of the time, these are still gonna be available when you see this video, but if they aren't, definitely check out the website where you can see all of our available vehicles, including this gorgeous Shelby GT500. Now with that being said, guys, we're gonna jump into this, show you guys this beautiful Ford vehicle. Let's get started. All right, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna start at the front end here. Now, looking at this Shelby, obviously you've got the Cobra badging right up front. And with the front end, the entire thing is just a lot more aggressive than the standard Mustangs I've seen. This thing is badass. Now, I come from the off-road industry, lifted Jeeps, lifted trucks, everything like that, but looking at one of these in person, you can really see the aggressive stance that it has to offer. If you actually look in both of these center mesh sections, we do have intercoolers on the left and right side, including the vinyl stripe decal, which is an option that runs through the entire front all the way to the back of the vehicle. Now, I've got the extruded vents on the hood here, which are gonna allow that 5.2 liter supercharged V8 breathe a lot easier. It's gonna get that cooling in there. Now, also on the front end, you might be noticing these two small round sections. These are actually your factory hood pins. So you still have a release inside the vehicle, but once you release it, you depress on both of these and you can pop the hood. That's what I'm gonna go ahead and do now. We'll show you what's underneath this hood. Let's check it out. Go inside the driver's side footwell. You still have a standard release. As you saw, nothing popped up. So you're gonna walk around the front here and actually depress on both of these quick releases. Get up underneath, and you've got your standard release, where you can reveal the beautiful 5.2 liter V8. So this pretty much shows it all. As soon as you pop that hood, we've got that gorgeous Cobra logo. This is a hand-built 5.2 liter V8, and they actually engrave or etch the name of the builder right here. I think that's a really nice touch on these Ford Performance vehicles. Now in ours, we did option to have this adjustable strut tower brace, which as you can see, has a honeycomb style feature in the center and connects both of these strut towers. Now this is a standard V8 engine that produces 760 horsepower and 625 foot-pounds of torque. See gorgeous aluminum heads on here and that beautiful supercharger right up top. Very standard along with the 5.0 liter Coyote engine. Now, if you want to add a blower to yours, we can definitely help you in our service department. We sell Ford Performance superchargers. Give us a call. We can get one bolted on, really increase that horsepower, and get cruising along with one of these GT500s. Moving right along to the side here. Now, obviously, we've kept that Cobra badging throughout the GT500. And then looking down at these wheels and tires, we do have a 20-inch wheel backed up with these absolutely massive rotors and Brembo 4-piston calipers. Now these are in the red coloring, and we do have just the standard wheel on here. You can actually option a carbon fiber wheel on these GT500s. I think this is an absolute beautiful touch, and it really ties in well with those vinyl black decals as well as the blackout roof package we got on this vehicle. So on the side here, as you can see, we do have more of an aggressive skirting. On the bottom, that's to avoid the rock chips from flying up and ruining this beautiful Velocity blue paint job that we have. And also with that vinyl stripe kit, you're gonna get these two sidebar stripes that run along both sides of the vehicle. A very clean look. With this one, we also have a lot of black accents with it. On the door here, we do have that remote proximity entry as well as the lock, so easy to get in and out of. Not that you're gonna be getting out of this thing a lot, but when you're ready to go on the track, you can easily hop in and out. So on the back end, we're pretty reminiscent of a standard Mustang, however, also got that Cobra badge. We do have the LED sequential style turn signals that are factory standard on most Mustangs, but then moving on to this huge wing, it's almost an 8-inch wing from the center all the way to the back. That's to help get you guys some downforce when you're really on the track sending this thing. Onto the bottom, you do have a little bit of a different fascia here that surrounds the quad tip exhaust. That is a fully active system. Now, when you go in there, just how you can change your driving modes, you can change your exhaust note tones too. You can really make this thing quiet or about as loud as you can imagine. On the interior, and probably my favorite part about this entire Mustang, this thing is really set up incredibly well. Now you can see we do have an Alcantara steering wheel with a flat bottom, paddle shifters on the back. Then when you just press the engine start button, you can see our completely digital LCD cluster pops right up. and the Ford Performance Cobra also in that center cluster. Now in this one, we decided to also do the exposed carbon fiber along the entire dash. This one is reminiscent of that completely track-ready vehicle. Now I gotta say, when you sit in this thing, we also upgraded it to the Recaro, double stitched with the white and black leather and Alcantara in the seats. It really holds you. I am completely tucked in here, and I could easily throw a 5-point right through these 2 slots and get myself ready to go onto the track. All right guys, this has been an absolute pleasure for me to come down and check out this 2021 Shelby GT500. It's honestly a privilege to be able to hold a key to such an American icon and something that really has so much horsepower and just a crazy amount of cool tech inside this vehicle. Now this one is listed for sale, and if it is for sale, it'll still be on our website at susqueford.com. Now if you go on there, you can check out this vehicle as well as all of our entire inventory. If you don't see it available, that stinks because it's a little bit too late for you, but you can give us a call and custom order one of these. Now if you guys are interested in factory ordering basically any vehicle, whether it be Ford, Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, or Ram, click the link in the description below. We do a great job of describing all the myths, everything about custom ordering a vehicle, and why, if you're thinking about getting one, you should probably check that out. Now, until next time, I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you have a comment below about the new GT500 or maybe some other performance vehicles you'd like me to take a review on, definitely leave those below. Now, until next time, I'm Matt from Susquehanna Automotive, and I'll catch you on the next one.